Hello students. So today I'm going to explain a chapter from your civics part, that is role of media. So in this chapter we get to know that what is media, what are its role, how important it is. Here comes media. So before we proceed, let's get some knowledge about media. So what is media? Media is a communication channel through which news, entertainment, education, data, or promotional messages are disseminated. Media includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium such as newspaper, magazines, TV, radios, and so on. So, in short, we can say that media is the main means of mass communication. Let's take an example, this coronavirus. So, how we get to know that this virus is spreading from China? Through media, through newspaper, through channels, news channels. So, media is what? It's a mean of mass communication. So, here in this picture, you can see different means of media such as internet, radio, magazines. These are the channels through which we get to know about what the things are happening in the world. Next comes, so in this chapter what we are going to read is what all public opinion achieve, media and technology, constraints in media, media and money, media and democracy. So let's begin with what all can public opinion achieve. So, what is public opinion? See, as we all know, people have the right to know about the plans and functions of the government. They have the right to form opinions and express it to understand what government is doing and how it affects them. So let's see. So public opinion, what does it do? It decides which party should form the government. Public opinion on government policies sends both positive and negative signals to the government. During the time of election, people vote. Why? Because people have the right to select their own representative. It works as a check on the activities of government and also a medium for the government to know what actually people want. So this is public opinion. Public is very important and media plays an important role in this regard. Next comes here, now, who is the link between the government and public opinion? That how government get to know that what actually public want, and what public get to know that whether government is fulfilling their needs or not. So, media. Media is the bridge between the government and the public. Alright? It is mass media that gives information to people and their representatives on all issues from political, health, economics, education to government's role during natural crises like tsunami, earthquake and so on. Like in the beginning only I have given you the example of coronavirus, COVID-19. So how we get to know that what actually government is doing for us? Through the media, through news channels, through newspaper, we get to know that what actually government is doing. Like you must have noticed and you must have even seen that this lockdown, government has extend the lockdown period. Why? To avoid the movement of people from one place to another, and if less number of people move from one place to another, then it's the less chance of getting this coronavirus. So here how we get to know that what actually government is doing, what are the rule of the government is there, what the government is implementing for us. Like all the international flights are banned now, people from different countries are not allowed to reach in our country. Why? Just to avoid this coronavirus. So how we get to know this? through media, through the channels of media like newspaper, your news channels. We get to know that what actually government is doing for earth, like during some natural crisis like tsunami and earthquake. So we get to know that what actually government is doing for earth, for public health, for the economics, for the political, what, for the political issues, what the government is doing for us. So it's a medium through which government and people can communicate with each other. So what is the medium? That is media. Okay, so here in this picture you can see different mediums like internet, magazines, newspaper, television and radio. So let's proceed. Media and technology. So what is the role of media in technology? Technology is utilized in the field of mass media, keeps developing with time. As we all know that the technology keeps on developing with time. Earlier there was only newspaper, then came radio, then television, and now internet has become the integral part of everyone's life. So basically, there are two main division of media, that is print media and electronic media. So what is print media? Your newspaper, magazines and other printed periodicals. And what includes in electronic media, that is television, radio and internet. Changes and development of technology in the field of mass media enable it to increase its widespread reach over more people. The change in technology is also influenced people today as sound, video or image quality in television has become better, and also television become more affordable. It has become an important part of people's life now. In mostly in everyone's house you must have seen television because it has become important part of people's life.